Hi, today we're going to go ahead and replace the turbine out of our high-speed handpiece out of the Inovadent dental cart. There's a little flat wrench that comes with the high-speed unit. We'll place that over the back cap, just loosening that freely. After it's loose, you can take our fingers and just spin it off. We want to do this over a tabletop preferably, just so that you don't lose any of the little pieces. And the back cap can be set aside. The turbine should just slide out freely. We'll take our new turbine, and there'll be a little dimple with a slot at the forward portion that this here will slide into. And it'll seat right down in flat once it's all lined up, and it should slide in just freely as the last one slid out. We'll go ahead and replace our back cap, and once we have it finger tight, we'll just take the wrench just to snug it up a little bit. We don't want to crank on it and too much pressure, just so it's good and snug, and we're good to go. Now this is just a blank in here, we'll remember, so we can pull that out, put our burr in,